Africa, here life of life. Bacha, reach one conference, respect and love. Respect Africa, 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 Africa. Land of nature and sun, land of life. Respect Africa, 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 Africa. Beginning of human's journey, home of us. Me dear Africa, you have everything life to burst in you. Me dear Africa, what wrong with you? What wrong with you? What make you unhappy and sad? What make you woman and children dying? What make the sound of crying and screaming here from your land? But I am interested in this. You have everything, the Africa. You have beautiful nature, lot of fruits and plants, lot of animals and birds, forests and rivers, a sea full of minerals and fish. But colonization did all of that. You did rock, then your future did stolen. Why? Wake up dear Africa, open your eyes and see. Catacomb, break the chain and become a free. Wake up beautiful land, the time for you to take it back. Take back the glory and your pride. Wake up mighty Africa, open your eyes and see. The time to shine and bright again. You must see wise, you must see crown. Africa, 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 Africa. Land of nature and sun, land of life. Respect in Africa, 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 Africa. Beginning of human's journey, home of us. Nigeria, oil side, Congo, Senegal, Burundi, Rwanda, Botswana, Somalia, Ghana, Cameroon, South Africa, Angola, Mali, Zambia, Mozambique, Algeria, Egypt, Morocco, Tunisia, Namibia, Tanzania, Gabon, Ethiopia. What time the war? It time to rebuild and flourish. Believe Bacha and reconcile. Igbo, Hausa, Juju, Yoruba, Arabs, Berber, Sankara and Fela. Believe Bacha. At what time war and violence? It time to flourish and move forward. Africa, Africa, Africa. Land of nature and sun, land of life. Respect in Africa, 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 Africa. Beginning of human's journey, home of us. Wake up dear Africa, open your eyes and see. Catacomb, break the chain and become a free. Wake up beautiful land, the time for you to take it back. Take back the glory and your pride. Wake up mighty Africa, open your eyes and see. The time to shine and bright again. You must see wise, you must see cool. Hail Africa, hail life of life. Bacha, you reach you and confirms the respect and love. Respect the Africa, 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 Africa. Land of nature and sun, land of life. Respect in Africa, 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 Africa. Beginning of human's journey, home of us. Me dear Africa, you have everything for life to bust in you. Me dear Africa, what wrong with you? What wrong with you? What make you unhappy and sad? What make you woman and children dying? What make the sound of crying and screaming here from the land? What shall I am interested in this? You have everything in Africa. You have beautiful nature, lot of fruits and plants, lot of animals and birds, forests and rivers, a sea full of minerals and fish. But colonization did all of that. You did wrong, then your future did stolen. Why? Why? Wake up dear Africa, open your eyes and see. Catacomb, break the chain and become a free. Wake up beautiful land, the time